Welcome to CVA War Trading Room. أهلا بيكم في CVA War Trading Room النهارده 28 جون 2020. We have almost 3 minutes until open. Let's see market flat this morning. And by the way, the market tried to push higher since June 22nd. So we can see it's a long bias. But we don't know. We have 4 minutes. This is 3 minutes now. Got it. Trading and trading. Strong the trade this morning. I hate when I sleep late. Sleep like almost 11 p.m. yesterday. All good. Screen is clear. My sound is clear. My voice is clear. Everything's good. That is beautiful. I have less than 2 minutes to open. Almost a minute. To be honest, I hope if you get a long signal. I hope if you get a long signal. But let's see. 45 seconds. $30 seconds. $15 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in the market. Let's see. Try to push downside. Very slow open. Let's see. Let's see. No signal so far. Nothing so far. Nothing.
Yes, long.
Let's see. No signal. Very slow open. We're gonna add our buy stop limit at 1 second. Buy stop limit going to be at 1783.3. We might cancel it, but for now, 1783.3 buy stop limit. And we're in the market. We're going to move our stop a little bit lower. Actually, now move all your stops now at 1780.1. 1780.1. All of them. All your contract. First contract, TTX break even hit. Nice move. Nice move. Wow. That's good, man. That's good. What's the first day? What? 7 points from the entry. Very quick one. 7 points from the entry. And second contract for me stop. And gonna move the second one. I'm gonna move it now at 1784.9. 8 points now. So I'm gonna move it now. I told you I like to be long. 8 points. Wow. 10 points from the entry now. 11 points from the entry now. So we're gonna move my stop loss at my stop gonna be 1 second, almost 11 points. So let's see, 11 gonna be here. Yeah. So my stop gonna be at 1787.9. 1787.9 and almost 12 ticks from the entry. 12 points, sorry. 12 points from the entry. So I'm gonna move my stop at 1788.5. Wish you can have this trade every day. 1788.5. Let's see if you have any pivots here we can adjust around. No, there is nothing. Just keep it. 1788.5. It's gonna be our stop. If the market pivot, I will move 4 ticks. There's another short signal here, but I'm not gonna take it, guys. I'm not gonna take it, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna risk more. I'm fine. But there's another short signal. You can go short, by the way. If you want. No, I didn't take it. Because it's fine. And that's it. That's it. I make $600 in less than 3 minutes with trading 3 contracts. That's it. And the short turns out to be a nice one. Short almost 6 points from the entry level. Same, by the way, same like yesterday. That does the same. After the long, we got short. So what's your result, guys? What's your result? Anyone wanna take another trade? Anyone want to take another trade? Okay, let's wait for the 10 a.m. trade, and for the meantime, let's look at another structures. I like 10 a.m. because market move, get direction, so it's going to be clear idea what's going on. Okay, so let's see another strategy. The short RTY is looking good now. It's almost 8 points on the entry, but I don't like short now. Market's biased long. So now ES still pushing higher. Pushing higher. Nothing more. I'm not going to take V1, V2. I'm going to take price action only. So looking for breakouts. So you're looking for the market get down the middle band, and then we can go just trade or or whatever. And just for breakout, we're looking only for long. Right? So 1 second. Template. I hate when I wake up late. Should do all this, should do everything before. So looking for long here only. The breakout. Same here. What is it? Okay. Same here. Template and Q. And long only. And let's see. The RTY short still working, by the way. Still working. Surprise. Same happened yesterday. Same happened yesterday. Exactly, exact same thing. Okay, 7 points. No, the RTY stopped out. RTY stopped out for almost 7 points. Yeah. That's why I keep saying nobody knows Jack. Nobody knows Jack. The market bias is long since June 22nd. So I was looking for long. We got the long, and we got another short cover from the long. So nobody knows. And easy gonna be market moving after 3 a.m. gonna be moving upside. This is what I expect. So I expect 10 a.m. trade would be more, be long trade. Just what I expect. Like yesterday. Still looking for another trade. No setup yet. No setup. We got another long trade in after one. So from this first trade, we got from the first half, we got 2.4. From the second, we got 6.2. So I got 2.4 and 6.2. So almost 10. And for the third one, which is Australian, I got almost 4.1. So almost like 40 points this morning. That's more than enough. That's more than enough. No trades so far, guys. No trades. Market still pushing higher. And we are still waiting to see what's going on. We're gonna have this total and breakouts, no signal yet. You will hear the sound when the trade comes up. You see ES long, NQ long. The long one working good. $15 until open. I'm sorry, until 10 a.m. And we do have nothing. We just sit in our hands. That's it. Man, human behavior sucks. I made $600 and myself, I said, oh man, $600. What the heck, man? You should make like $3 grand. Remember days we make $4,000-5,000 a day. Some days you make $15,000 in 30 minutes. What is 600? See, that's us. That's human. We always complain, but I still my mind is market is choppy and glad and green, and that's it. Agreed? Everyone agree with me? Still waiting. The RTY long, nicely, beautifully working fine. I love it. No, I should have taken this trade, but anyway. Stick with my rules. Stick with my rules. Stick with my rules. I'm a POQ1 trader. So. Yes, try to break with the band. Let's see if it's gonna break or not. I think the yes, break the middle band. Yeah, so this is the area now. And you're looking for pivot, and market go test there. That's it. That's what you're looking for. Oh. Think you try to break the middle band? Long trade RTO is nice. And by the way, I think you're gonna have a nice long 10 AM long trade. Nobody knows Jack, but I market reaching now for session high. So I hope by 10 AM testing the session high and then break, boom up. I hope. Let's see. Long trade is out now. It's out almost 5 points. Yeah, almost 5 points. Guys, I've got good news. Slack community will be available next week. Actually, I'm gonna have an announcement next Friday, not this one, next Friday, one after. And then you're gonna have our Slack community, you're gonna have a future contract trading room, you're gonna have a Forex trading room, you're gonna have a drop shipping mentor. Provide you guys with the not all of the students with the top products every week, every month, everything. I'm gonna send you my alert for Forex too. If you guys want to trade Forex, but for Forex I trade swing trade. I don't trade daily trade Forex. I take positions and I add my stop loss, my profit, and leave it. Sometimes it take day, two, sometimes take a week. but I like it. Like for instance, I'm going to show you my positions in Forex now. I'm long GPY, I'm long GPY, and I am short GBP USD, and I am long USD Japan. These are my positions, my 5 positions. This could take 2 days, take a week, could take 1 day, but it's nice. And this strategy almost 2 to 1. So our stop going to be always, a profit going to be almost more, like double the so it's nice. NQ break the middle band. We have area. Now we're looking for test trade for both. And I think this is the pivot. I think, I'm sure. Oh, by the way, guys, ES gonna be 12 for 24. Same like yesterday, 12.24, yes. And NQ is gonna be 85. Yeah, make it 80 or 100, no problem. Looking for test trade NQ. Yes, sorry. Test trade. If you're gonna break the middle band, give me space, then we can go long. Let's see. Didn't break the middle band yet. Let's see if it's gonna break it. No, same with NQ, by the way. Let's see. Waiting for this space. Give me 1 more bar. Give me 1 more bar. I will add my buy limit. 1 more bar space. Not yet, buddy. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, there we go. Buy limit. Buy limit. Added 2 ticks. 1 tick at 3942.75 buy. 3942.7. And we are in the trade. And I guess it's safe if you stop a little bit lower than this area here. You know what I mean? Like 4 ticks below this. It's gonna be nicer. Or if I add it like gonna be more safe. How many ticks is here? 7 ticks. I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add it down here. So it's gonna be safe. So that's it. And leave your trade and put your stop, put your entry, sorry, target at the area. And leave it. That's it. NQ. Still no history. Still no history yet. The market touched this area. If the market touched this area and rejected, I will add break. Which is dead. So I'm gonna add break even now. Plus 2 ticks. Let's be safe side. Or if you want to exit, no bad, no problem. But I don't like exiting in the middle of the trade. Gonna be a bad habit. So just add break even if you want, and let's see. Oh, by the way, I used to do this. I used to take the trade and add my stop, add my profit, and just leave it. Don't think about it. And by the way, the market gonna go up now, touch down that profit target. For the record. NQ. But now market, to be honest, market is doing it. I'm not comfortable with the market now. So I just want to turn the profit trade to be a losing trade. That's all. That's all about it. NQ still waiting to break the middle band. Anyone take profit in this yesterday? Anyone? Anyone take profit from the Easter or break even? Two points, nice. Still waiting for the test trade in queue. We have 9 minutes until 10 a.m. trade. Just a pivot here. In queue so choppy a little bit. No trades. All right, and the CS trade is a break even still working. Six minutes until 10 a.m. Like I said, the market reached now session high and projecting now. Let's try to break the session high, which is going to be nice for 10 a.m. trade. Do you guys know why is 9:45 and 10 a.m. is very critical time in trading in the morning? Anybody know? 9:45 and 10. Even you will see price action moving fast, specifically 9:45. A lot of traders, they don't like to trade in the open. Not like us. They don't like to trade in the open. They're risky, choppy movement. So they wait, most of them, they're waiting for the 15 minutes candle. Most of them, they open two charts, 15 a.m. chart and scalping, whatever, 1 minute. And they wait for the 15 minutes candle. And they make the decision. They're going to go buy long, buy short, and you know what's going to happen. They're 9:45. 10 a.m. trade, this is the institution time frame. Institution time frame, big, like the big hedge funds, big money boys, you always look at 10 a.m. Because 10 a.m., if you guys look at any chart, you will see, it's not always, but most of the time, the market will be, we have the direction after 10 a.m. From 9:30 to 10, it's like, well, maybe sideways, blah, blah, blah. Like after 10 a.m., if the big boys want to move the market up, they will move it at 10 a.m., not 9:30. 9:30 is like the shaking area. From 9:30 to 10, the shaking, shake everybody. But 10 is a time for them to take long position, for short position, huge contact numbers. That's why we have 4 minutes. And the funny thing is the Still working, but it's still working. That's why I'll stop here. So still working. Four minutes. 3 minutes until the 10 a.m. And I think we should move another chart. And wait for the name. Still buys up, still buys up, still buys up. So if I get a short signal at 10 a.m., to be honest, I'm not gonna take it. If I get a short signal at 10 a.m., I'm not gonna take it. I'm waiting for long and only long. Might the short gonna short, nice short, maybe, but I don't like to risk. Two minutes. This is good, but I mean, this move good to give a space for trading at 10 a.m. This movement. Almost a minute until 10 a.m. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 seconds. And we are at 10 a.m. now. We are at 10 a.m. I'm gonna add I'm not gonna add anything, but my hand on buy market. My hand on buy market. Because I don't want to go short. And I'm long now. I'm long now. Here we go. I'm long. Add your stop a little bit lower at 1786.6. Around this area, 1786.6, around this area. I'll leave it. Actually, add it a little bit lower at 1786.7 or 0.6, 1786.6. Add a bit lower. And leave it. There we go. Let's wait. Let's wait. Anyone take this trade in live account? Okay. Doesn't seem good. Doesn't seem good. That's why nobody go jack. My God, piece of shit. First one. Unfortunately, this trade is full stop. Full stop. So now, if that's why I keep saying stay with the FAQ1. That's why I keep saying that. Yes, sometimes you got a custom trade at 10 a.m. with winning trade, and you got a double money because you trade two trades, but you're risking your money. Why not? Why give you profit? That's what I'm saying. So if you're a FAQ1 trader like me, you are green. If you're a FAQ2 trader, you should work hard more. You should trade more. Because I don't know if you guys red or green, but should take trade more until you hit your max moves or you be a green again. That's it. Exit the trade at $30 profit. Okay. You are so scared, man. You are so scared of market. Is there another short signal? Enough, buddy. No more trades. Enough after. That's it. Enough. Okay. Three. And the market keep moving downside now for some unknown freaking reason. And let's see. Now there's going to be a new area with market downside. Or we can have another test trade. Let's see. Or second and third test trade. Or yes, same for NQ. ES4 reversal. You mean this one? This is too much, buddy. This is too much. It moves too much already. Fogo should be like this. This is 4. This is 4. And this is not reversal, it's continuation. Because the market direction is upside to here. So continuation, this is FOBO continuation. This is FOBO continuation. If the market did, but didn't, so let me explain, guys, for you again what's the concept of FAQ1, FAQ2, just to be clear. I'm gonna say it one more time. FAQ1 doesn't mean if you have your first trade, it's FAQ1 doesn't mean you take only one trade and that's it. No, it's not FAQ1. FAQ1 mean you are done when you green. That's it. So if you take your first trade and it's winning trade, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. That's it. If you take your first trade, losing, you keep trading until you hit your max loss. Should have a trading plan written. What's your max loss? Until you hit your max loss, or you are green. That's it. That's a FAQ1. Period. FAQ2, take your first trade, and even if you are winner, you're looking for another one, regardless. In this case now, if you're a FAQ2 trader and you take the first trade is winner, second one is loser, and you lost money, you lost what you made, you have to trade again until you hit your max loss or You are green. Good idea? So PQ1 is way easier. Smooth, way easier, especially case like today, when you are green and then you take another trade, you lose it, and then you are red again after green, it's gonna mess up your mind. It will mess up your mind. You'll do mistakes. You'll do mistakes. You will take stupid trades. You will, oh, I wanna make up my profit. You will do stupid mistakes. You will trade money, not the market. That's why PQ2 is for experienced traders. If you are experienced, have more than 5 years trading every day, then go for PQ2. If you are a beginner, well, what I mean by beginner, I feel like less than 3 years in a market, stick with PQ1. Stick with it. For now, until you master your emotion. Because PQ2 is way profitable. If you are a PQ2 trader and you know what you're doing, you're gonna make more money. But it needs a lot of discipline. That's it. And I don't know, the market pushing down. I don't know why, but to be honest, everything look the market gonna push higher. Everything. If you look the old charts, everything market should be pushing higher today. Bias is long. Even all traders everywhere pushing, market is trying to reverse. But look at this. This area now that doesn't mean anything. Even this one doesn't mean anything. Even this one. Still looking for another trade. It's what time is it? 10:09. So what's your result, guys, today? What is your result? And let's update our trading log. Anyone want to share results? How about break even? Any 6 points? Okay, first up to 2.4. By the way, just a reminder. When I'm logging trades, I log the trades, I took it on my live account. Okay. I don't log the trade, I take it. Eight RTY, 2 years. Nice. 2.4. And then, so for the first one, 2.4, yes. 1 second. And the second one, stopped at here, 4.2. The second one is 4.2. And the last one is 5.1. So 5 was 5.1. So for the POQ1 traders, you guys made 11 points. Should make it if you follow my rules. What is it? Yeah, should make 11.7. If you follow my rules, should be now up 11.7 in R2I. And we are up in June so far 50 points. If you guys remember, like 2 weeks ago, we were red in June. Now we are up 50 points almost. That's nice. Three minutes until we're done. The market, if you guys can continue trading our strategy, the market now is pushing down, so it should be your area. Pivot should be here, and you should looking for test trade short for both markets. Yes, thank you. Nothing so far. This is your area now. This is it. Yeah. Looking now for short test trade. That's it, guys. See you tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Enjoy your rest of the day.